Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.7.4 and we are going to use iostat. So you suspect that one of the storage devices on your system has failed. You need to identify which device it is. So in this lab, your task is to find out if a device has failed. Use the appropriate command to list devices and the utilization. Answer the question that follows. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start up lab right away. So at this point, we just wait for the lab to load. But should in case you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we'll still wait for this lab to load. We still wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and start up terminal. And then we type in iostat and you press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and answer the question, which device, if any, has failed. Alright, so from all, this is going to be the correct answer. We'll go ahead and score lab. Thank you for watching. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Also consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.